how to use audio from another user reels on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use audio from another user's Instagram reels to create your own reel. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply navigate to the reels with audio that you want to use. And now here, once you've found the video, which audio you want to use, then simply at the bottom of the reel, you simply have to tap on the audio name and the song title. And once you tap on it, this will open the audio page showing all reels that have used it. So here in this section you can simply tap on the button that says use audio or use this audio, and this will open the reels creation page with the audio preloaded. Now, here you can either record a new video with audio or you can upload a video from your gallery. And once you're done with that, you can use the editing tools to trim or sync your clip with the audio. Here you can add stickers, text, filters, transition if you want. And here, when you're ready, you can just tap on next, and there you can add captions, hashtag, you can add location if you like. And once you're done with everything, you can just tap on share to share it as a reels or your story to post it. And that's it. Now you know how to use audio from another user reels to make your own creative content. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.